If you've ever wanted to create a UGC video such as this one,
check out our new soda. It's sugar-free.
using just one image and some different instructions, stay put because that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. We are still checking out a software called Higgsfield. If you haven't checked out the previous videos regarding this software, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works and what it is. Just as a little reminder, Higgsfield is an AI-powered tool where you can create images or videos. You can do that a bunch of different ways. You can create a bunch of different assets for you to use in different projects. You can even create avatars. We have been checking out some of these tools in the previous videos. We are using one of the paid plans if you want to use one of those as well. There are some affiliate links on the description box down below. And as I just told you some seconds ago, in this video we're going to be checking out the UGC tool. If you don't know what UGC means, is user-generated content. This is a type of work that some brands use where they hire people to record videos for their products. These people don't need to be necessarily influencers or content creators. They are people that have other jobs, but they record these videos and then the brands use those videos in their platforms and on their services. So on the top right here, if you go to the UGC tool, the software is then going to take us to that part right here. In the UGC tool, there are a bunch of different groups of videos that you can pick from. You can see Angry Mode, Northern Lights, Outfit Check, and all of these other different ones. And there are some on this part that you can check out visually. If we click on View All UGC, this expands and you can pick out from the one that you find more suitable for your product. As you see, the UGC group is just normal people creating videos for brands. Let's say that we want to use this one, the Beast Appearance. If you click on Generate, you're then taken to this screen. These are some of the other projects that we have been working on the past. This is a face swap that we did, and these are some other projects that we have been created. In this tool right here, you need to upload a start frame and then an end frame for the user-generated content to be created. I just took a couple of pictures with one of my cats to show you what the software can do. Once you uploaded the starting frame and the final frame, you can describe with a prompt what the scene is going to be. Let's say that we want to do a 10-second scene. You can also select the resolution from full HD or just 720p. I recommend using just 1080p because it's more usable in a bunch of different scenarios. You can also select the model that the software is going to use. The one that is selected right now is Kling 2.1. Let's say that in this scene, I'm dancing with my cat. This is a very easy prompt for the software to understand, but as I've showed you in previous videos, once you write the prompt, the software is gonna refine the prompt and make it a bit larger. And after a couple of seconds, the software has already created the scene. Let's check it out. As you see, it even added another cat to the scene. The way that I move and the way that my clothes move is really amazing. Let's check it out once again. Just look at the way in which my pant moves and the way that my shirt moves as well. It looks very, very realistic. And then you could download this video and create a bunch of different scenes for you to create a larger scene for you to use in a UGC content. Another way in which you can use UGC in Higgsfield is if you go to the video tool right here and you go to UGC Factory, this tool right there. You're then taken to the template part. You can select from all these different templates from general, selfie, selling, and so on. You can select then your template. I'm going to be using the general one. You're then taken to the image part. You can upload an avatar. Let's say that I want to use myself once again. I'm going to upload a picture of myself. I'm going to be the avatar. And then you can upload a product. This is an optional step, but it is better if you upload a product if you want to use it in a marketing scenario. I just have this blank soda can that has no brand. I can upload that product as well. You can combine the images then. The software is going to take a couple of seconds to do that step as well. It just takes the software a couple of seconds to create 4 different images for you to pick from. You can select the one that looks more natural to you. I think I like this third one the best, so you can just pick it. Then you go and go to action, and you can describe the action that the UGC is going to be performing. Let's say that I just want the character to be smiling and moving the can. You can select which model is going to be used, Google VO3 Fast or just Google VO3, and you can select the resolution of the final product. I'm going to select 1080p. If you click on next, you can select an audio that the character is going to be speaking. I just wrote a really simple speech. Check out our new soda, it's sugar-free. Then you can select the audio settings, the voice type. You can select from all these different groups of voice types: whispers, rough voice, harsh voice, soft and clear, low and strong, very high, or no sound. I'm just gonna leave it on auto and see what the software does. And you can also choose the emotion in which the speech is going to be spoken from all these different ones: happy, sad, fearful, surprised, and so on. I'm gonna leave it on happy. You can also select the language in which the speech is going to be spoken on. I'm going to pick English, but you can pick from a bunch of different languages that the software has, as you see right there. And you can also select the accent for it to be American, British, South African, Indian, or African American when you're selecting English. I'm just gonna leave it on auto once again and click on next. And you can also describe the background sound if you want it to be on a city landscape, if you want it to be on a forest, if you want it to be on a gym, or so on. Let's say that we want city noises to play in the background. And after all the different parts of the creation are in place, you can just click on generate and wait for a couple of minutes for the software to create your little scene. So let's check out the video that the software created.
Check out our new soda, it's sugar-free.
As you see, it did exactly what we wanted it to do. It created our character with a smiley face. It added the speech that we wrote. Just check out our new soda, it's sugar-free. It used the product that we inputted. It showed it to the camera directly in a close-up fashion. And you can play around with what you created in the video. If you go back, you can play around with the speech to make it longer or shorter. But all in all, the videos that the software creates are really usable. They look really real. As you saw, it took just one image of myself and then little instructions for it to create this video. It's really impressive the way that the software does that with just one image and some prompts. And that is pretty much how you can create UGC videos using Higgsfield. I really invite you guys to try out this tool, to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any of the videos that we're going to be uploading as well. Once again, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.